Like maybe I'm sexy because we are hot. Yeah, we are hot girl. Yeah, we are single. Come to drink with us in Soi 7. Yeah, my friend bar. His name No Bra. No Bra. Yeah, that's the owner. His name. That is the owner. The white red. Yeah. Yeah, and then this is go to my bar this way. Yeah, this is my bar. Rain bar. I'm gonna put the sign here. Next week, gonna put the rain bar here. My name is Moji. This is my bar in Sukhumvit 7. Yeah. I'm 32 years old. Thank you. I did bought the bar like on March, and then it's been closed because of the some problem like everyone know, you know. Yeah, and then we just reopened again on 22 of July. Yeah, I work for my friend, another bar, and then I see like a lot of customer. That's why I want to open. My friend finished already from COVID. Yeah.
How many bars are open now?
How many bar? Now is 11 bar plus one restaurant. This one, so it's 12. Now it's still not still under construction. You know, still not completely finished. Yeah. So it's gonna have the bar next door, like a few bar more. Yeah, every night it's a lot. It's packed. Open from 6 p.m. until 2 a.m. Yeah, by law. For full-time staff, I have 2, but plus me is 3. But now it's like today she go back to her village. Yeah, but I have like a freelance come to work with me too. Mung say hi now. Her name is Green. Mung. Some day is busy, you know. I mean, like because now not many people they know, you know. Some Farang they still don't know like Soi 7 reopening, so that's why. Yeah, but now we reopen. Hope you guys come to Soi 7, Sukhumvit 7. We have like a 2 entrance. This one is the second entrance, and over there is main entrance. Yes, if you walk inside Soi 7, about 10 meters, and then you will see the small road like this, and then you come here, and then you see my bar. Bangkok, and then have some tourists come here too, and have some like old customer like they are tourists but they used to come here a lot, and then they ask like, oh, what happened, why like this, so yeah, every bar, yes, open. So now like 1 month, right? 1 month, yeah, open. Yeah, they like to have like vodka, yeah, they like to come to have vodka and Hong Kong and Sang Song, Thai whiskey, yeah, and beer. We have beer lao, beer acai and stuff too, but it's behind, cannot see. The price for the beer I sell 100 baht a beer, but except beer lao and Heineken and Asahi is 120 baht. Yeah, I have the menu here. This is my menu. Soft drink 60 baht, yes, but water is 20 baht. Yeah. And for the lady drink is 200 baht. Yeah, normally if in the night time, I have like a friend or freelance, they come, it's a lot, but now it's like still early. 8, but they come like maybe 9, yeah, 9 or 9:30 they will come. Yeah, it's my first time in the open the bar business, yeah. I think it's okay. I think it's not too hard, but it's many stuff, Yeah, but many things to pay too. A lot of things to pay. But it's good fun. Because we've been closed very long time, like 4 months. 4 months, and then it's like customer maybe they go to another Soi, Yeah, I don't want to mention. Soi 4, Soi 23. Cowboy. Cowboy. Yeah, they go Cowboy and Nana. So that's why. No, I'm single. Single. Yeah, I'm looking for one. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
We are single. Yeah, we are single. Come to drink with us in Soi 7.
Hello. I am Green. I am 31 years old. Yeah.
From where?
Huh? I'm from Isan.
Yeah, we are from Isan. Yeah, from Surin. I'm from Surin. Yeah.
I'm from Kalasin. I just come here the first time. Just 1 year.
Me, my second year. Yeah.
Maybe I'm sexy.
Because we are hot.
Yeah, you're a hot girl.
Yeah, the customer come here, like we enjoy, we entertain. I don't know how to say in English, but yeah, it's like we entertain, we make a more friend, we make not make them feel lonely, just enjoy, make them enjoy. Oh, yeah, I know, but not in my bar. Because when it's no customer, okay, they can play phone. But when customer here, no phone, cannot. ชอบทำงานที่นี่ไหม
Yeah.
Happy ไหม Are you happy?
Oh, very happy. That's why you guys come to drink with us, come to enjoy talking, drinking like a friend. Yes.
โชว์ขาว